What are you making today, babe?
We're making yellow squash roasted. And I already have another recipe out like this. But this one is going to be like Tex Mex.
Yum.
Well, if you don't like squash, try mine. It's pretty good. My husband never liked squash. He hated it. And I started making it this way and another way, and he loves it. So, that's what we're doing. We're gonna add cabbage.
It's a 16-inch fan. You don't mount it up. We're in a temperature switch relay. You keep wiping the Jeep.
Yeah, you're just sweating on everything. The whole floor over here. I can't step back and
Hey, we didn't have to move the exhaust. We didn't have to jack up. We didn't have to do anything. Look at that.
I'm gonna cook those, you guys. I just don't want to cook them as fat as what I do with these ones because they're too small. Good to have a garbage bowl. Kind of thick. That's alright, we're gonna try something. I mean, it's still gonna come out the same. It's gonna be fine. Don't worry if you mess up on cutting your vegetables. They'll still come out fine. They're roasted. They're fine. I need this. Look what I did. I bent over and it messed it all up. Okay, what is going on with this? I mean, I can have it all loose and whatever. It's just for videos. I like it more taut. Okay. Yeah, we're going 4, y'all. Because that's what's really yummy. This is getting way more expensive now. It used to be like $4.99 for this whole thing. Now it's $6.99. I'm gonna have to start chopping my own garlic. Ugh. Whatever. If you guys don't know what cumin smells like, just think of smelling a taco. You can make anything taco. One teaspoon. 1.5. 2 teaspoons. 2.5. 3. I really wish they would go back with the other ones. I could put this one in it. Production, huh?
The spice is nice.
And pepper. Don't forget the pepper. Okay. So then. Now mix it. You don't want to beat the hell out of them. No. Potatoes you can do that with. This is squash, so you gotta be gentle.
I like my squash shaken, not stirred.
Well, I also do it like with my hands, and you'll see some recipes like that too where I do it with all my hands, but that's usually with Brussels sprouts, because Brussels sprouts, if you did this, it's a cabbage, so it's just going to start peeling off, and it's not going to be good. So you have to be gentle with those and use your hands. What does this look like? Did we mix it up good enough? I think so.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, we're going to let that marinate for a while. About 20 minutes. Yes, I put parchment paper, y'all. You don't have to, and I say this in my recipe, if you have a good non-stick pan. I do not. I bought like 2 in the last 3 months, and I don't know what it is. They're not as good as they used to be. I remember my mom's pans were good forever. I don't know. I'm gonna have to find a company that has a good pan. Y'all know anything? Let me know. Non-stick, because I need a baking sheet. Okay. So we're gonna gently toss these again. Can't waste that. That's it, guys. Get all that garlic out. Okay, so now we're gonna make these all flat. They can't be on top of each other. They won't roast very well. They don't have to be all flat, but you just kind of like make them, you know, evened out. Well, I mean, some of them you can't lay flat because they have like a small corner or whatever. You try to make them all. He needs to go in the middle. He's too tiny over there. I know, I look obsessive. I'm sorry, y'all. Doesn't matter, you're just going to mix them up at the end anyways. Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah.
Got chicken and potatoes in there. Okay. Ooh. That sounds really yummy. It's gonna take a while.
Let them look roasty.
Yeah, it's gonna take me a while.
Y'all stay tuned.
Got my winter shirt on. It's so much easier on my tank tops. Chris is making fun of my pot holders.
I need to get you some new ones.
I know, but see, this means I cook. Look at that. I mean, seriously, look at it. Holes. Have had them for years. Holes. Why don't I get rid of them? I don't know. They still work.
Barely.
I don't know. I'm sentimental to my old stuff. Like my hubby. He's my old stuff. Okay, I'm so foggy.